What's going on, guys? Jorge Contreras here, and welcome to the Jorge Contreras YouTube channel, where I help people grow their income with Airbnb with and without owning real estate. I began my real estate journey as an investor 10 years ago. And 5 years ago, I began my Airbnb journey, where I started to build my Airbnb empire with properties that I owned and also utilizing the arbitrage, also known as the subleasing model. And over the last few years, I've helped over 3,000 people begin their Airbnb journey to creating time, financial, and location freedom. One of the biggest problems that people face is that they feel overworked and underpaid trading time for money at a 9-to-5 where they are not satisfied, all while sacrificing time away from the people they love. And that's why I become so passionate over the years of helping people replace their 9-to-5 income with cash flow from Airbnb. And I am aware that it can be very difficult starting your Airbnb entrepreneurship journey when you have no previous experience as an entrepreneur or a real estate investor. And the great news is that is what this YouTube channel will be dedicated to, teaching you how to start and automate your Airbnb business, even if you are just getting started, and even if you don't have a real estate license, because guess what? You don't need it. On this channel, I am going to be covering the arbitrage and subleasing model, how to properly get permission from property owners in the lease agreement so you can utilize their properties as short-term rentals. I will also be covering various purchasing strategies and how to use Airbnb as an accelerated cash flow strategy. I'm going to be posting videos every single week. So if you are ready to go on this journey and you are excited about growing your Airbnb income with or without owning real estate, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.